So here the question is, convert each part of the ratio to percentage. Now to solve these type of questions, what you have to do, let's say we are doing part A, we have 3:4. So you can do one thing, just add these two numbers. So 3 plus 1 you will get 4. So this ratio can be written as 3/4 ratio 1/4. So this is the fractional ratio. Now here we have to find out this ratio into percentage. To find it into percentage, simply multiply both the fractions with 100. So it will be like 3/4 into 100, the ratio 1/4 into 100. So this we can say this is the percentage ratio. Now if you divide it, you will get this one will be 75% and the other one will be 25%. So now we got the ratio in percentage. So the ratio of 3:1 is same as 75%, the ratio 25% as a percentage. Now let's take another example, the B one. Here in the B part we have 2:3:5. So now we have to convert it into percentage. So again the process will be same, you just need to add all the numbers that are given. So that is 2 plus 3 plus 5. So you will get here 10. Now you can write this ratio in the terms of fractional ratio. So here I'll write fractional ratio will be how much? You just have to take the same number 2, divide it with the sum of all the numbers, ratio 3/10, then 5/10. Now we need to find out the percentage ratio. So for that I'll write here percentage, the ratio, and then what you have to do, you just have to multiply all the terms with 100. So I'll just multiply it with 100. The next one 3/10 into 100, and the same way the next one. Now you can simply solve it. So you will get here 20%. The next one is 30%. The later one is 50%. So the ratio in percentage will be 20%, 30% to 50%. Now let's see another question. This is question number 4. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. So you can say it is the cost of car equals to rupees 3,50,000. Now you can see in the statement it is written the next year the price went up to 3,70,000. So what was the percentage of price increase? So cost of car next year. So next year the cost became 3,70,000. So now you have to find out, here you have to find out the percentage increase. So this you have to find out. So to find out the percentage increase, we have a formula, that is difference between the cars. Okay. So here first you can say percentage increase you have to find out. So first you will find out increase in the price. So what is the increase in price? It is the new cost, that is rupees 3,70,000 minus the previous cost, that is 3,50,000. So now the difference will be how much? You can see here the difference will be 20,000. So this is the increase in the price. But now you have to find out here the percentage increase. So for finding the percentage increase, we have a formula, that is percentage increase is equals to increase price. Here you can write the increase price divided by the original price when it was before, into you can multiply it with 100. So that will give you the answer. So here we have the increased price. So the increased price is 20,000 and the original price was 3,50,000, and then multiply it with 100. So after solving it, you will get 5/7%. So that will be the answer for this question. So here this is another question. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. So how much money do I get for it? So wherever you get this kind of question, so now you can see that the TV is bought at rupees this. So you can say the cost price or CP of TV will be how much? Rupees 10,000. Now here it is given that the profit, he sold this TV at a profit of 20%. Now you need to find out that how much money he got for it. So that means after selling, which price he will get, that is the selling price. So you need to find out the selling price. So after selling this TV, he will get the selling price. So to find out the selling price, we have two methods. Like first, what you can do, we have the profit percent. So with the profit percent, you can find out the profit. So for finding the profit, we have the formula profit percent of the CP. So profit percent of CP will give you the profit. So you can write like profit percent divided by 100 into CP will give you the profit here. So you can solve and you will get the answer. And then to find out the SP, you can add like this profit, you can add with the CP. So this way, this is the first way to solve it. Here you have to write the profit percent. So this is the first way, this is the first method. Now I'll just show you the second method also. So it's up to you like which method you want to use. For finding the SP, we have a direct formula that you can use here. So that is 1 plus profit percent divided by 100 into CP. So this formula you can directly use, or sometimes you can also write it as 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 into CP. So it's your wish to choose which method you want to go with. Like in this first method, first you need to find out the profit, and after getting the profit, you need to add this profit with the CP and you will get the SP. But in the second method, you just need to remember this formula, that is this one or the later one. So you can use any of the formula, this or this, both are same. So you just need to put the values here, and here you will directly get the values. Now let me show you both the methods here. So as we know that we have the profit percent 20%, so just write down quickly. So we have profit percent 20% and CP is already given, that is 10,000. So now let's see both the methods. So in the first method, first I'll find out the profit. So here how much profit he will get. So the profit will be profit percent divided by 100 into CP. So here you will get this, you can cancel out, so you will get 2000. So 2000 is the profit. Then you need to find out the SP. So SP is CP plus profit. So here the CP is 10,000. So 10,000 plus 2,000 will give you 12,000. So this is the first method. So he will get at the end, you will get 12,000 rupees. Now let's see the another method. So in the second method, I told you we can use that formula directly, that is SP. So this is the first method. Now I'll just go with the second method. SP equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. In this method, you need to just put the values and you will get the answer directly. So here CP is given 10,000 and the 100 I'll just write that as it is. The profit percent is given 20% divided by 100. So you need to just solve this. 100 you can cancel with this one, so you will get here to 120 into 100. So your answer will be 12,000. So here simply we got it. So this is the answer for this question. So you can choose your method, like either if you want to do it with this first method or the second one.